How to limit Wi-Fi connections to your mobile hotspot. So hello guys, in this tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, you need to simply go to settings. After that, here you will search for hotspot. Hotspot. When you search it, you will simply see personal hotspot. So you need to click on that. After that, you will see personal hotspot settings, connection management. So when you click on connection management, here you will see blacklist, device connection limit, data usage limit. So we will simply click on device connection limit. Here you can select how many devices your hotspot can connect. So if you select one, there will be only one device that will connect to your hotspot. They will be known and their devices can connect to your hotspot. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.